We are rolling into the Goodwill bins this morning, otherwise known as the Goodwill outlet in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're gonna go see what we can thrift for a profit. The last few weeks have been a little bit shy on quilts, so I'm crossing my finger that we have a good linens haul today, but you just never know.
Yeah, the bins are always fun. It's literal junk on its last leg, and then we find the gems in there. And I love digging through the books.
Junk or gems? Let's play that game today. We'll pull it up, be like, junk or gem? Always gonna be a good day when you find a cart as soon as you get in. I don't know about this for wallpaper, but I think people might like this for drawer liner. It's a good amount in here. Originally $17 quite a few years ago, so I'm gonna grab this. It says it's got 56 square feet. J. Crew. That's actually kind of cute. Good for summer. I think I'm gonna pass on that. I'm mostly buying winter stuff right now, unless I just can't live without it.
So I'm digging. And then right here, propped up on the back, is the Reader's Digest I've been waiting for. Here's another one. Oh, it doesn't have the backer. I still kind of like it just for this. Look at that. This one's got art in it. I'm going to get it. Take the covers all the way off of these and just leave them as pages and tie ribbon and stuff around them. I don't think we can leave this here. The Best of Country Cooking 2004. It's got delicious looking food on the front. Someone must have unloaded their whole collection. I just keep finding them. Right over here as I walk up, no one's getting these. They're great.
It's kind of cute. Jessica Simpson purse. Love this angel with a Battenberg lace. So cute. What do you guys think about these teacup placemats? They look like somebody homemade them, and I think they'll wash up good. And if you put like a backer on them, somebody could make some really cute pillow covers if they didn't want placemats. I'm gonna pick them up. We'll see how they do. Tea-related stuff usually does well for us.
Was digging through this bin looking for Reader's Digest because now I found, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. But I found this nature study book, and it's like an old textbook from 1891. Okay, I'm gonna go have to find some other things. I'm about at my book limit. The Good Housekeeping Illustrated Cookbook.
So not a super high-end bag, but I like the fabric, so I'm gonna grab this. Floral always does well for us, especially canvas. This is really dingy, but I think I can wash this up. We'll see how well it washes up. It's a Vera Bradley wallet. This is cool. It's leather. It says made in England. I think it's a binocular case. It's got like a suede lining in it. It's just a really great piece. And if somebody had binoculars, they could use it, or they could decorate with it. I'm gonna grab it. I like to not pass up on leather, especially when it's like older, but there's a little made in England stamp on it. They're doing a bins change out, so we'll probably stay long enough to dig through all these bins and then we'll bounce.
I'm excited about this one. I found Majestic Hymns. It's old. I don't know, 1930. I gotta hurry and go through these, and then I can go through some other bins because they're swapping some bins out right now. And then they usually come and do the books. Probably about 10 minutes to go through these book bins. Homes and Habits of Wild Animals. That looks older. 1934. Let's see what the art looks like. Oh, it's good. All right, unless I find something amazing like this older book, these 1800 book and the early 1900s, I think I'm done. I got enough Reader's Digest and things. We're gonna go start looking through some other types of bins.
There we go. Oh, what did I kick? I want this one. Is cute. I just kind of like to see what gets tossed around. See what I can't live without. Spied this Vera Bradley bag from across the way, so I'm gonna grab that for sure. It's definitely in newer condition than the wallet that I found. We got new carts over here, so we're gonna check those out.
All right, let's take a look in here. see if there's anything good. You know, it's such a mixed bag of stuff in here. But you have to turn everything over because the moment you don't, there's something amazing underneath. So this is a stackable galvanized tray. I actually really like it, but I want to know if there's more stacks somewhere. I'm gonna dig through and see. Okay, we did get new books. Is it gonna be worth going through them though? So this is specifically made suitable for framing, and they've got like a good border around a lot of them. I'm gonna pick this up, this Norman Rockwell book. No one framed any of these. Doesn't look like any are torn out.
So randomly digging over here, found this really cool enamel picture. I'm gonna see if I can find the top. This is a really cool kind of boho canvas bag from Lucky. Just needs to be washed up.
Reasons I keep coming back to the books. Look at this Reader's Digest just sitting on top there. That's awesome. Same with this one. This one might be one of the coolest books I've found. Short ghost stories from, I think it's like 1903 or something like that. Let me just double check here. 1906. These bins over here are so full I can't hardly dig through them. Oh, those are plastic. This is kind of fun. You know, I could paint this up and put some IOD or something on it and put it on top of that horse pedestal. Maybe I just will. Wonder what this is over here. It looks like it's a quilt of some sort. Oh, that's a lot of green.
Vintage flat sheets always do really well. This one's Charlie Brown, 1971. It's kind of a fun brass belt buckle. So this is a Pottery Barn Kids. It looks like mostly it's just dirty, just needs to be OxyClean, no like major stains. The colors are cute. You always look, you can see Pottery Barn Kids, 100% cotton. Does it give me the size? I can't tell. I'll take it home and see. It's like a little green and cream throw with hearts on it. Definitely gonna pick this up.
All right, I know you guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but this is a 0 degree 2-person sleeping bag by Grizzly. Black Pine, I think, is the maker. Grizzly sleeping bag. And I saw them online anywhere from like $180 to $250. So it needs a good washing, but I can't see why I shouldn't buy it.
So Janet sent us 5 boxes. We have 3 here, and we're gonna open them up. Some things we will put in this week's thrift haul, and then some things we might save for a mystery box next week. I have no idea what's in here, so I don't know what we're gonna find. Here's more from Janet.
Oh man.
Look at that.
Lots of good stuff right on the top.
This is like parts of something.
Bring me the parts, I'll take care of those.
Books.
Good Reader's Digest. That's perfect timing because I have a ton of Good Reader's Digest this week.
Ooh, cute false craft mugs. So there's a bunch of those and more books. I'll get this opened and then
let's unbox it all so it's not like an 8-minute video, and we'll show them all of it together.
Okay. So we did have some breaks, but this is all the stuff that made it in those 3 boxes. This one I can actually fix, so I'm gonna try to glue this one back together. Most of the stuff will go in this week's thrift haul. I think some of the volume books, because they were in multiple boxes, I might wait till we get to the other 2 boxes just to make sure we're not missing any.
Yeah, we grabbed 3 boxes because we're like, we can round out the thrift haul with that, but you know, this is all really good stuff, so it's gonna make it to the haul.
Yeah, so no mystery boxes this week. We'll see what we find next week.
Okay, great week at the bins, got a ton of books, and then Jan came through, sent us some awesome things, and got a lot more books from her, which I was not expecting at all. I love that.
We've known we've had these boxes for a while, but we've just kind of been waiting until we had a light thrifting week to like bring them in. So it's been like a good extra amount. And I think the next week we'll bring in the next 2 boxes and see what's in there. So thanks, Jan, for sending that. Anything that you see on this video is going to be on our Saturday thrift haul. So don't forget to hang out with us Saturday night. Everything will be at JamiRayVintage.com. And if you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY
and thrifting. We'll see you on the next episode.